So now it's time to install Terraform. So let's browse to terraform.io. And then I'll click on download. I'm going to scroll down and look for Windows. So I'm currently using Windows 64-bit, so I'm just going to click on that. It's going to go ahead and download Terraform as a zip file. It's 27.1 megabytes. I'm going to click open file. I'm just going to extract that now to a C Terraform folder. Now I'm just going to check. I'll just do a dir. Yep, so there's terraform.exe. So now I'm going to try and add this to the path in Windows. So I'm just going to do start and then type advanced system settings. Yep. I'm going to click on environment variables so I can add this to my Windows path. I'm going to scroll down here under system variables and click on path and type edit. And then I'm going to add a new one. So I've got c:\terraform, okay that, close this, and I'm still in that folder. So to test this, let's try Terraform Azure. So that's us installed, and we've tested Terraform, and we've also added it to our Windows path.